Malaga, with its sunny weather and lively streets, feels so welcoming, but beyond the beaches, this city holds whispers of its Islamic past. Did you know Malaga was once a key city in Al-Andalus, the Islamic kingdom that ruled much of Spain for over 700 years? Today, the mosque here stands as a symbol of that heritage and the vibrant Muslim community still thriving in Spain. Today, I'm embarking on a very special journey. As a Muslim convert from Iceland, I am used to the small, cozy masjid back home, but today I'm standing before the Malaga Mosque, a place that not only holds spiritual significance but also reflects centuries of Islamic history in Andalusia. Join me as I explore its beauty and uncover its connections to Spain's rich Islamic past. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Happy Friday.
Jummah Mubarak to everyone.
Today we will go to the Malaga Mosque. Our first time. We are currently here in Malaga.
Yeah, there are many mosques like small one and big one, but I think this one is like the official big mosque of Malaga. So it's look also very nice, the architecture and stuff. So inshallah, we'll check it out and pray our Friday prayer and see.
Inshallah, I'm very excited to see this beautiful mosque. So we did our research and we saw that the khutbah is around 2:30 and the prayers after like around 3. And also, if you don't come on time, then they might like lock it, I think. So I don't
Yeah.
know, you have to come on time. So yeah, I hope we will make it.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Outfit check.
Simple.
Our mosque outfit. Outfit of the day. Okay, let's go. Close to the mosque, you can find a Halal butcher shop and they also sell more products. There's the mosque. Okay, this is for men entrance and there is I think for women. Stepping inside, I feel an overwhelming sense of peace. The prayer hall is simple yet elegant. The symmetry in Islamic architecture always fascinates me. It reflects balance and harmony, something we all seek in life. The Arabic calligraphy on the walls feels like a silent dhikr, reminding you of Allah's presence. This is the mihrab, the niche that points towards the Qibla, or the direction of Mecca. Its design here is modest but still carries echoes of the ornate mihrab in Córdoba's mosque. Even in simplicity, there's so much beauty. MashaAllah.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
Look at this, subhanallah. The Malaga Mosque is stunning. Its architecture immediately reminds me of the famous Mosque of Córdoba. You can see the Andalusian influences in the arches and geometric designs. It's like a modern tribute to the craftsmanship of the past. This mosque is relatively new compared to the Córdoba's Grand Mosque Cathedral, which dates back to the 8th century. But the similarities in design, a blend of Islamic art and Andalusian aesthetics, are unmistakable. From the horseshoe-shaped arches to the delicate tile work, it's like stepping into a living piece of history. The Mosque of Córdoba was one of the grandest achievements of Islamic architecture in Spain. While Malaga Mosque isn't as vast or ancient, it carries the same spirit. The horseshoe arches, a hallmark of Andalusian design, are a nod to Córdoba. It's amazing to see how these architectural traditions have been preserved and adapted over centuries. So we just finished praying Jummah.
Yeah,
How was it for
it was
you?
very nice, mashallah. The Imam voice was very beautiful, and the mosque also inside is very beautiful.
Yeah, I really like the Quran recitation, how you recite it. It was very beautiful.
Mashallah, very nice.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum.
And how was the mosque inside for you?
It's nice, very nice. Resemble a lot like Cordoba. Most of the mosque in Spain resemble inside like the Cordoba mosque, I think.
Like the minbar was the same.
Yeah, the same design and architecture.
Nice. Today's visit was unforgettable. Malaga Mosque isn't just a place of worship, it's a testament to resilience, beauty, and faith. To my fellow Muslims and anyone curious about Islam, I hope this inspires you to explore the incredible legacy of our deen around the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Assalamu alaikum.